top tips for using OneDrive efficiently. Now there are various ways on how you can use OneDrive to the maximum benefit of yourself. Now to do this, if you're using OneDrive on Mac or Windows, open the OneDrive folder and make sure that you keep proper track of whatever is being backed up to OneDrive. So make sure to keep the important files that are not necessary to back up those folders outside of OneDrive. For example, if you have a personal project file that you're saving, save it outside of OneDrive so that you don't have to access it from within the OneDrive each and every time. You can click on the OneDrive icon from the top right hand side or the bottom right depending upon whether you're using Mac or Windows. Then from here you can choose to see if your OneDrive files are synced or not as well. A better way to view all of our OneDrive files would be to access OneDrive from our web. So open up your web browser and go to Microsoft OneDrive via your web, where you can log in and you can have a proper overall look of all of the files that are backed up within your OneDrive. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.